Celebrity wives who allegedly cheated with much younger partners. Number 1. Eva Longoria. Eva Longoria's love life became major tabloid fuel when rumors and relationship drama started swirling around her marriage. The age gap chatter only made things louder, and fans kept watching as her private life turned into headline material. Number 2. LeAnn Rimes. LeAnn Rimes shocked fans when her relationship with Eddie Cibrian exploded into public view. Both were married at the time, and the scandal quickly became one of the most talked about celebrity affairs of the era. Number 3. Jennifer Lopez. Jennifer Lopez has faced non-stop gossip over her love life for years, and rumors involving younger men only added more drama. Every romance seemed to turn into a public spectacle, keeping her name locked into tabloid headlines. Number 4. Meg Ryan. Meg Ryan's image took a major hit when her relationship with Russell Crowe became a media obsession. The age difference, the timing, and the fallout around her marriage made the whole scandal feel even bigger.